Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, your go-to channel for the latest in artificial intelligence. Today, we've got some incredible stories to dive into. Imagine a world where an AI can reproduce a human voice so convincingly that you can't tell it's not a real person. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Stick around as we explore Microsoft's groundbreaking VALL-E 2 and some big updates from OpenAI. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about VALL-E 2, Microsoft's latest AI speech generator. This innovation is a text-to-speech system that can replicate a human voice using just a few seconds of audio. Imagine listening to a perfect clone of your voice reading out your essays or making announcements at public events. VALL-E 2 achieves human parity, meaning its generated speech is on par with or even better than human speech in terms of quality and naturalness. So how does VALL-E 2 work its magic? It incorporates two key features: repetition-aware sampling and grouped code modeling. Repetition-aware sampling handles repeated sounds or phrases to ensure the speech sounds natural and fluid. Grouped code modeling reduces the number of sound units processed at once, speeding up the speech generation. For anyone who's wondered how AI can sound so human, that's the secret sauce. You might be wondering, can this AI really fool someone into thinking they're hearing a real person? According to Microsoft's benchmarks, yes, it can. They used datasets like LibriSpeech and VCTK to test VALL-E 2 and found it surpassed previous AI models in terms of robustness, naturalness, and speaker similarity. It's the first zero-shot text-to-speech system to reach human parity. But all this power comes with responsibility. Due to the potential for misuse, like spoofing or impersonation, Microsoft won't be releasing VALL-E 2 to the public just yet. The risks are simply too high. For example, imagine someone using this technology to impersonate a CEO and make fraudulent phone calls. Scary, right? That's why Microsoft is treating VALL-E 2 as purely a research project for now. It's crucial to address these ethical concerns head-on. Other companies, like OpenAI, have also restricted their voice technologies due to similar risks. While the idea of having a voice assistant that can perfectly mimic your voice sounds amazing, the potential for abuse is something we can't ignore. So, for now, VALL-E 2 will remain in the lab, but it's a promising glimpse into the future of AI. Let's shift gears now and talk about OpenAI. Recently, there's been a board shakeup with Microsoft stepping down from its non-voting observer role and Apple deciding not to take a similar position. This comes amid increasing scrutiny from regulators in the EU and US. The concern is that big tech's investments in AI startups could stifle competition. But what does this mean for the future of AI? Stay tuned. OpenAI has decided to update its business partners and investors through regular meetings rather than board representation. The company, which has received over $10 billion in investment from Microsoft, continues to push the envelope in AI development. Imagine the resources required to train models like ChatGPT, needing around 300 billion words to get off the ground. Now, let's address a hot topic: the use of online content for AI training. Microsoft's AI CEO, Mustafa Suleyman, recently stated that almost all content on the internet is fair game for AI training. According to him, the social contract of the open web has always been that it's free to use. But not everyone agrees. Authors, artists, and news organizations have filed countless lawsuits against AI giants, arguing that their copyrighted work is being used without compensation. This legal battle is essential. On one hand, AI needs vast amounts of data to learn and improve. On the other hand, creators deserve recognition and compensation for their work. The gray area lies in whether content that has been freely available since the 90s should automatically be considered fair use. As this issue works its way through the courts, it will set significant precedents for the future of AI and copyright law. Did you know? OpenAI has allegedly used more than 1 million hours of YouTube videos to train ChatGPT and its video generator, Sora. When asked about this, OpenAI's CTO, Mira Murati, confirmed they used publicly available data and licensed data, but didn't specify further. This situation highlights how AI companies might navigate intellectual property issues in the future. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI are enormous. From enhancing educational tools to revolutionizing entertainment and accessibility, AI speech tech could transform how we interact with the digital world. Imagine a world where an AI voice assistant can handle complex customer service calls or provide personalized learning experiences. The possibilities are endless. Let's not forget about Microsoft's OneNote Copilot. This new AI feature analyzes both typed and handwritten notes to generate summaries, create to-do lists, and much more. Early reviews are overwhelmingly positive. One user said it was mind-blowing to see Copilot correctly interpret a mix of handwritten notes, images, and typed text. Imagine how much easier studying or meeting prep could be with this tool. I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your support. Here at All About AI Tech, we're committed to bringing you the latest and greatest in AI innovation. But we can't do it without your feedback. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Let's build this community together. Your support and suggestions mean the world to us. Now, let's switch gears and dive into another remarkable development from Microsoft. They're rolling out a new AI feature in OneNote called OneNote Copilot, which can analyze handwritten notes just like it does with typed ones. This innovation is currently in testing and promises to make studying and note-taking way more efficient. Imagine being able to write down your thoughts freely and have OneNote summarize the key points for you. Pretty cool, right? OneNote Copilot isn't just about converting your handwriting into digital text. It takes things a step further by generating summaries, creating to-do lists, and even rephrasing your notes for better clarity. For instance, you could jot down a messy idea during a brainstorming session, and Copilot would turn it into a polished plan. It's like having a personal assistant to help you stay organized and focused. For those of you who love using digital pens to take notes on a tablet or laptop, OneNote Copilot's new feature is a game changer. It doesn't matter if your handwriting is a bit sloppy. One reviewer mentioned how amazing it was to see Copilot accurately interpret a mix of handwritten notes, images, and typed text. Imagine how much easier it could make your work or study sessions. So how does OneNote Copilot pull this off? It uses large language models to analyze your notes, understand the context, and provide various insights. You can ask it to generate event plans, summarize a lengthy meeting, or even help you brainstorm presentation ideas. It's not just about reading your notes, but making them actionable. Take it from me, I've had my fair share of struggles with handwriting. Often, my notes are so messy that I can't even read them later. With OneNote Copilot, these worries are a thing of the past. You can scribble down ideas in the heat of the moment and later rely on Copilot to make sense of it all. Imagine the time you'll save not having to rewrite or organize your thoughts. Good study habits and efficient note-taking are crucial for absorbing information. By using OneNote Copilot, you can ensure you never miss out on the essentials. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves to jot down their thoughts, this AI feature will significantly enhance your productivity. Imagine having clearer, more organized notes without any extra effort. Remember, this feature is currently available to insiders running the latest version of OneNote. If you're interested in trying it out, you might want to join Microsoft's Insider program. The better we understand and learn to use these tools, the more we can benefit from them. And who knows, you might find it revolutionary for your workflow. Your feedback is vital to us. Here at All About AI Tech, we are dedicated to bringing you the cutting-edge tools in AI technology. Share your experiences and questions about OneNote Copilot in the comments below. Have you tried it? What features would you like to see next? Your insights help us create the content that matters most to you. We're continually working to improve our videos and build a community where we can all learn and grow together. So, if you appreciate our content and want to stay updated with the latest in AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Your support matters a lot and helps us provide even better content. Thank you for being such an awesome community.